Hi, I'm Maggie Weldon from Maggie's Crochet, Needlework and Crafts, and in this video I'm going to show you pattern number PB093, which is the granny square coat. This is a really popular pattern right now on Maggie's Crochet. It's a vintage pattern and we've brought it back to life, and in this version of it there's just two colors, as you can see. And up here are some, all of it is done with your traditional granny squares except for two of a square here that's a partial and one here. So after you sew it all together, then you work around, and let's say if you were doing the edging starting here, you would just go around here, come back around, go all the way around the bottom, and then you'd end up back here to to give it the finishing touch. But one of the things I like best about this is like this bell-bottom granny rows on the sleeves. I just love that. I just think it's so cute. And in the back, it looks just like this. So you could also do this shorter by just folding this up, or like if you did it there, it would be that short. And the patterns, the sizes here are small, medium, extra large, and 2XL. But if you used a bigger hook, you could probably get an even larger size than that, especially if you went up on your yarn size. So this pattern would work with bigger yarns or even smaller yarns if you work the bigger sizes and the smaller yarns. So this is done. This was done in, actually it says the small and medium are done in sport weight yarns, and these samples here that I have were done in worsted weight yarn. So for the smaller ones you use sport weight, and for the larger ones you can use the worsted weight yarn. So this is the scrap version of it, and there's the back, and here's the front. And I think a good thing to do on the scrap colors is to use the same edging color and the same, the edges of all the squares. So it kind of brings it all together. And here you can see better the little bell-bottom edge on the sleeve. And I just think this is so pretty the way it turned out. This was actually, I got an inspiration for the colors from a photograph that wasn't crochet, and I just picked out yarns to match it. It's a great way to use up scrap yarn. And that's it. That's the granny square coat, and it's pattern number PB093, and that's available at maggiescrochet.com. Thank you very much for watching.